Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Removing someone from an email thread in Outlook is a quick process that helps keep your conversations relevant and private. You often need to do this when a project changes direction or when a colleague no longer needs to be looped into every update. To start, open the specific email thread you are working on in Outlook. Click the Reply All button to ensure you are responding to everyone else who should remain in the loop. Once the reply window opens, look closely at the To and CC lines at the top of the message. To remove a specific person, simply hover your mouse over their name or email address. You will see a small X appear next to their name. Click that X to instantly remove them from this specific reply and all future messages in this branch of the thread. If you are using an older version of Outlook or the web interface, you might need to click inside the address field, highlight the person's name with your cursor, and press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. It is often a good idea to double-check the recipient list one last time before you hit send. If you want to be extra polite, you can add a small note at the very top of your email stating that you are removing certain people to save their inboxes from unnecessary notifications. This simple step ensures that the person you remove does not feel excluded if they happen to see a later version of the conversation. These basic steps keep your professional communication efficient for everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.